Man, look at my car, it's so dirty. I really gotta clean it. But anyways, today we're gonna be installing the little visors that go right here. And I got them right here. I was already kind of cleaning up the car a little bit. So we're gonna install these right here. Try to make them fit. I'm not a huge fan of these, but since I bought them, let's see how they come out. So let me go grab some more tape and I'll mock test it. Because as you guys know, with the BRZs, the door opens up like this, so there's no border around it. And then this part, it's actually going to stay onto the car. So you gotta make sure that when you close the door, it's not gonna hit it. It's not gonna hit it. So I have to put it in a right angle. Okay, so I brought some masking tape, so I'm gonna line it up so I know where everything lines up. And it's like a perfect fit. Cool, so we put the 3 layers, the 3 points that we're gonna stack it on. Alright guys, and then I forgot to record the installing it. I did run into a couple issues where right here was kind of hitting when I would open the door. But I just kind of moved it up a little bit and it came out pretty good. I forgot to record that part, but 3M, do the 3M or Gorilla 3M all the way, double-sided 3M all the way. Don't just do little patches. I just did the whole thing just so it could be really secure and on there, and it feels really sturdy on both sides. And honestly, it came out really good. Like I said, with this thing you can't really see it. You can't see it at all, and the same thing goes for this one. You can't see it at all. And that's how it looks like. Small little mod. My brother's inside. Small little mod. I haven't used it when it's raining, so I don't know how good it works, but we'll test it. I think it's supposed to rain in a couple days. So later guys, that's it for this one. Until next time.